Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert a .pmf file, such as a game boot, to any format you would like. Now, to do this you will need a PSP with official firmware. Yes, official firmware 1.50. I have two PSPs. I've tried with my custom firmware. I even have the kernel add-on enabled, the 1.5 kernel add-on enabled, and it does not work. You have to have a PSP with official firmware 1.5. Now, if you don't and you still want to convert your PMF files, I have a link in the description to another video on how to downgrade PSP using a Panora program. Now, first thing you want to do is, obviously, you want to get your PMF file. Now, you can just simply use a game boot. I've got this intro file, intro.pmf, from the Warhammer game. I have Warhammer 40,000 Squad Command. This is the opening intro of the game, and I think it's a really cool video, so I'm going to show you guys how to convert them. Now, open up, just right click on PMF Converter and just click Extract to PMF Converter. I have found out that your PMF file, sometimes it doesn't work due to the name of it. Like if it's a game boot, gameboot.pmf, make sure you leave the name as gameboot.pmf. I've tried to convert some other formats, some other files, and they weren't named the original name, and they would not convert for some reason. I haven't been able to figure that out yet, but oh well. Alright, open up PMF Converter. Just make that a little bit smaller. Open up PMF Converter again, and click on gboot extract. Now, gboot extract.exe. Now, just take your PMF file and just drag it in. It'll start to load and everything. And notice that there's another folder on my desktop. Now you can click close. Just go back. Sorry about that. If you open this up, you have two files, converted.avi and converted.et3. Now, you might be thinking, oh, an AVI file, video file, that's cool. I have an AVI file movie of it now. No, not completely. Unless you already have the codecs to be able to play this type of AVI file, it'll open up and it'll say error, cannot find codecs, and all this crap. But I have the codecs, and I gave you guys the file to install the codecs. And you also might be thinking, .at3, what's that? Or I have some of those, how do you convert them? Well, I'll be showing you guys that. So first, to be able to play the video, just open it up on player. Just click on, in the PMF Convert folder, click on Col to all that. Allow it, and it shouldn't take too long to install. It'll just open up. Just click Easy Installation, click Next, and it'll begin. If you want the codecs pack media bar, just click it. Just click Agree. But I don't want it, so I'm just gonna click Agree, and it'll automatically start doing everything. Now, once the codecs pack is installed, I'm pretty sure it asks you to restart your computer for it to be enabled. But I've already got mine installed, so I probably won't need to. But you might want to restart your computer. Finish. Oh, maybe it doesn't. Okay, well, so you've got your converted files, and now you can open it up. And as it loads, starts it and everything. Yeah. And then it's got the .at3, and you're like, how do I convert that? Well, that's the point. That's the reason of you having a PSP with official firmware 1.5. So turn your PSP on and enable USB connection. Make sure your system firmware is official 1.5. Now click on AT3 Converter. Now just copy the AT3 folder. Just copy it and just paste it into the very root of your memory stick. My memory stick stick is completely wiped clean. I just formatted it a while ago, so there's nothing on here. So I'm just going to copy the PSP folder, and I'm going to paste it in. But if you have files on your memory stick, especially your PSP file, just open it up, and then open up game, and then just PSP game, and then just copy this file, that folder, and just put it into the game folder of your memory stick. Now you can exit out of your memory. Oh, I didn't want to do that. On the root of your memory stick, you have the AT3 folder. Open that up. Now take the converted.at3 file and copy it. Now you want to paste it into the AT3 folder. Now once that's done, you can exit out a USB connection, and on your PSP, go to game, memory stick, and then there's AT3 decode test. Just run that. Now my camera's not working for some reason, can't figure out why, so I can't really show you guys what it looks like, but it says decompressing T3 ... which means it's loading, and the memory stick light is flashing. Now, it shouldn't take too long, especially for my video, because my video is only about 30 seconds or less, so alright, so it's already done. Press triangle to quit, just press triangle, and it'll take you back to the XMB. Now go back into USB connection, and memory stick should open up, or not. So go to my computer, open up memory stick, and notice that there is a T3.wave file. Now that file is the .wave sound of the PMF video. Now you can just drag that into your converted PMF files, and you can exit that in memory stick. Now you can just simply